What? And no one never blow as I see our num sweet so. Hey, and yes, I dear. Now, now, tisso qua, ain't it? My cry and Prince Shara, dear Bribia. I scripture now, Omode Tonyomuno, Psalm 42, verse 1 and 2. I say, as the deer panteth for the water brooks, so panteth my soul after thee, O God. My soul thirsteth for God, for the living God. When shall I come and appear before you, God? Oh, Miss Mawukra and Prince Sherad, because Nimuna Nkwawo. So depend on him. Lean on him. Treno. Fa ohutune so maninya wadie nyina. No beya wo chem no waye wo katabo. Mi kai nyom na lyrics in makaka ke bi na twi na ya na ebrime. Ebusi am gidi se bia wo ho ye wadwumem school mu efie wo shop ni mu na fe wo botom. Ni nyina be fine what? Ni nyina be fine ma Jesus entina wakome mu. Oh, him a messy me chow. And then I saw many of him a chatty. Was ribisa. Niente all sitting there, Fina make quack share. Into him a me chow. MC for ya boy, ya ba. And then Thursday, now a week, you know, Ube Juana co, Ube Juana a conasa, ne conasa, a radini a dini. Yeah, koye ba say na what to say me no emu ye better. I nationalize the na ma won rano. And I better. Ye dey ya we ase. Ya oda but ye dey don ko e na ye bedi. If say rade oni ye di ni ye. Otie mu nensa na ifa na basa no aye kese e wo ye nso. Ono ni nyankropon basa ye adom. Enti no don't be obey bia ye ka ho selection be obey bia ye won bi odom boa ya bri bia nti ye da na se nne omoya be fie fidue mu fria na pa e na onim se sompa ye siesie wakuma wo sunsun wo redie be bia fine nti omu edi kan be nyina ye chiachi omu and then me special greeting view what's the name again eje wa akode ohun me feeling a voice me feeling a voice. Me buy me who san or na me chire hono. Enti ante wa Abena Ruthy me see me feeling voice what say. Na be training. Na me sua twi ni bi so. Ante adwa wa na adwene say twi no on chire me. Maka chire obi amobi ate. Enti so kasa obe chire me de na me sua so o an chire me eni ante wa ju wa wo fa task ne to ho so. Oh, but we have a great family here at Sompa, Ebusuafo. Say, who are saying that say, utie yen who can busu ku ne ho, woka ho, woka ho, entino. Suma ye papa nyina, ye train ho aketua beba ni nyina, no so de won bi, nti ubenya aketua pa. Ya min show bibia. Na Thursday, nti Miss Velt lady was nasi. And then no, washa black. Na black na the power never into no power ever no easy I producer so nam feature ho no mo ka che say atena se producer one enti ye chiefo then am kai ye chiefo back a day abuzigi ma bna wote Smart lady mo akwa
I feel I'm here, me production. Yes,
Bibia da yes
patron now so
adom gidie ni patapa ye dwen ho a ye ntiase so a ye nwen ho ba ku bi ka ho se ye ho ode nti se nyame asem makai ni nyina producer aba betuaka.
Okay.
We can go
July muidie. Afena nsio no ye be run to tobre ni benim.
Enti ne hu ni nyina
enti we ne de ye
gimmicks. Wow. I see.
Enti afena nsio no beto angasa nti ende wu pia na waboa wo hu yi se o raincoat bi na obefa se o umbrella bi na obefa
the umbrella boy do you
me na me ka kire
sister I had to say Ghana Jesse
ai
send your new boy
oh ba se nkofo hu se amanfo de ye we enura sei me call town na mma no o mu kisekita ye boni donko misa
fe dey o me decide say
50 70 50
oh
70
o ma go back to normal e be dey na ko 200
and now me hu ba oh ba ko TikTok live so na 300 black one na black one na black stars na that sort na and also the efe but I mean what's with this?
No, but economics principle so say demand wo ho dia obuada economics principle in fact mungugu na amanfo nya bi hye
na jese die
because someone him say dey tebia no yesoro ho de ye nu enti ene na wase he ya de ni mum nanye na obviously divine intervention ama nti ubabo wo audio ya na ukande na mama we backing vocalist juma enti yatna si ne yenda lecture company limited as producers of Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush ye three yes restre ni ade say wa wonim yes nti be patch up mo de kopel de wo ko shop na e wo fie nchen na wo benya bi e wo ba bia yedo mase enti yebeko ye vocabs corner and Thursday enti yede last vocab for the week November na uni and when I was coming again some can just say a week no me prepare words no but me ya na me tie me spirit na me hwe ne yebeko enti I like the laughter I like the
hey radio is a
interpretation so I thought of this word me feel say yeah ball near the and emfa word be and yes I describe it ball but at least ball bobby be wom and na me de buy no are you ready?
We are ready.
Okay and over G2 ni na so yes sir Ba ba ba
ba ba.
I just extended version here, producer. All right, okay. And see the word for today. In fact, it's actually an expression.
Okay.
A expression. And see pole position. Pole position.
One word.
That'll be two words. Okay. And see that make us a expression. And see pole POLE. As in polar. Go no be shema ma ye Saturday no. Ball no ba ko shem ni ya she. You know how Croatia ho. No sa pole no. And our position POSITION. Okay. And see pole position POLE pole. Two words. And our position POSITION. And see sa expression way and then they made for inti say where do what
okay pole position or say it refers to the most favorable first place starting spot in a race, typically on the inside of the front row. It is awarded to the competitor who sets the fastest time in prior qualifying sessions.
Okay.
Into the most favorable first place starting spot in a race. That's basically what we mean by pole position.
Okay. It's yanko metaphorical usage, you know.
Okay. O say, okay, we no say ombetime use no. Everyday and business use.
Okay.
Into everyday and business use. Outside of racing, the idiom is commonly used to describe the leading or most advantageous position.
Advantageous position. obi ka say obi wo pole position mo a e just nipa no advantage who say description na e mai na say de wusi enim hoto me fa say ye relay 4x4 baton relay and ya ogina enim ho pan ye ka say wo pole position because oyire ne ho so ye very good a otua obekọ nesa enti say wo pole position a say wo advantage enti me fa ne say ye ni England ebebo no na ewiase nyina feel say England were pole position.
Yes.
Because omo
they are at an advantage.
Exactly. But ye chere omo say obia nya obia. Into pole position, if you are at an advantage, you can say pole position. Pole position. Like I said, no. Ball at the end pole at the end, so that you will know say there's something like that. It's a pole position, just a advantage. When you be chad na obi feel so way was so called na position people wo be na ye de ma na qualification no high near there obi abeka say you are in a pole position to receive that role. I mean to get into that role near there the pole position, advantageous position. And then there is St. Augustine
so they say we are the women are at pole position.
Exactly.
As compared to men.
Men, it's true.
And so I did.
Yeah, try say about my women's our pole position. No, yeah, try and pole position. That is it. Pole position. So pole, POLE. Two different words. Into which na position POSITION. Pole position. Into one word.
Okay.
And then hyphenated, so
okay.
Two separate words, but we use it together into a expression, pole position. Anti Sompa delight listeners, or more pole position. Do you know why? Because ye baby ye where the bro mo to me you so no mu do baby o ma kosoro ye be bro mo etiquette. Omo to me hu ne wo so omo ko meeting omo ko dining baby biara omo bewo on top into no once you are listening to some delight you are in a pole position.
Enti mun use
yes mun use yeah enti enana se me na meka mema proxily so take raw for konkonsano enti yam kwai crane crying.
That Jerry Basso, I feel why Tiana bra. Okay, so my man started on a rather, should I say, unfortunate. And that's sorry, and yet you who say, British pilot be Ghanaian British pilot. So or ye Ghanaian but okay. I friend of Kwame Yeboah. Ye that's sorry I say Kwame Yeboah. Ako assaulted 12-year-old sexually. Ama ye jailing for 8 years and 4 months. And when I saw the story, like I literally broke. Say, and then a bema Abrantia or ye pilot or ye nejuma or British Airways 2023 and we secure sa ejuma no as a pilot 30 years utia bruchri pilot of one so dear just say sabi ma different na a full plane
air hostess
even air hostess now pilots emu akese emu nketwa emu slim whatsoever Kwame Yeboah yenim de ye Kwame Yeboah it could be a lot of factors yenim de ye Kwame Yeboah say oba bi a wehia no wo Instagram and na obey invite no. So according to story no akola no through their chat no catch a guy ni say over 17 years.
Oh okay.
Or catch ni say over 17 years. Say na akoda no 12 years. Enti pair unse pictures there sometimes pictures can be deceptive.
Yeah.
Ain't you only needing more chat when they finally agreed to meet, they met on 3 different occasions. Ain't court no say at least nyakwala into be a wedding 17 or even though they see a body to me deceiving nipa because kolana is here omo banedi. I'm telling you omo body and omo so ya akono it is a wo want to me show ho so a obeye the ancestor we 12 years ne 17 even class or 17 class still now a minor so now a minor ena kwame ene akola no ekoye according to the story no he psyched akola na dwene wanfa eya gidigidi o debi o makola no nya hotoso say oh he doesn't mean any evil or you be open asem or dwene ne ho ene sa ne omane no ena hu sa akola so de o ya akola onya hu that kind of reception ne pe obe play lose nkola no dodo na obe play lose nti e ba ne sa na che say eyi kwame ye bo anso ene akola ne koye de yense so wo moye yesi akola no kra downful ena ekobo mema oh of course na menye de oye ne kra so obeso o confuse obeso o distract me memfi no nti akola na downful ene ekobo ne maame amane fa enkomo a woni na downful no edi ne ho ena omo launch investigations omo koye complain ena omo start investigations and kwame yeboa he did not deny it as in say wa ogene mfom so to mu sexually no assault akola no into 8 years
it's pathetic.
A whole pilot.
It's pathetic.
Very, very pathetic.
Who was prison because
of DNA.
Now he traveled 200 miles or something.
Yes.
What's your story now?
Yes.
Hey.
For DNA, 30 years you have your whole life. You have a booming career. Like everything is going on well. Ain't it a dang? And so she kwa. They go beyond yes.
Because that story yes.
And that's rather unfortunate.
Very.
To see 8 years of your life, what do you could so if you're fine, you are young, ubetimi akwaba and a tem no so then shut down what be brady. But the thing is your
setback.
It's a setback.
Yeah.
Your life, what dentino yes. In a way. Even though say you can make something good out of it because of course, and you're only first person I'll be called prisoner. But the thing is, turning the whole situation for your favor. Obu on my basa na bra bona save for life.
Save for life.
I say ejuma obekwa akoye baby a obeko bia sa record Nikita so ye ex-convict.
and for no reason than to have a
sexual assault
somebody sexually.
We are praying say Kwame Yeboah ebetimi afa we mu afri asomdwe mu because a hard dream. Anyway, that's it with him. Let my memfa unko Abena Boy ho.
Okay.
I think Abena Boy is one of African artists. He's making it. He's making a lot of waves, a lot of impact. I mean, Abena Boy are making it. Enya Afrina or making it, but as in say America nenim no na or that so choppy feet na inti. Young congratulate Abena Boy. Say Sisiano wa making history say wa becoming one of African artists or what the highest number of entries ewo Billboard Hot 100 charts ewo US.
Okay.
Inti I think say not some Nigerian artists be to set Thames. Any Wizkid mo. Ne bi woso. But Abena Boy na break record. And I think the last person no 8. I think it's Thames.
Okay.
8. When say uko US at said ye what charts. You will be a friend no Billboard charts. Billboard charts no. Yeah. African artists are make it to the charts. No, a record. And for some time now, I think said they were topping 8.
Okay.
But Abena Boy be break record 9. Inti a success at the Bena boy. I think that from there no so no crofo being so to is well say you be recognize it na ya congratulate Bena boy on sa achievement because in that form say Africa Nigeria now be I mean they are doing well if you compare music in Nigeria of course if you compare Nigeria to Ghana obi be argue there but I mean let's face reality, let's face the fact. Your artists there, your Ghana, your artists they are doing so well internationally, but space is not that open as compared to Nigeria. They've broken through in terms of arts, music, movies. Baby, go to Netflix. Na bisa, na check it. Ghana movies on Netflix. Na check Nigeria for movies on Netflix. I mean, see, music, movies, just like arts industry. Nankasamuno, they are making a lot of waves sir. Ebumi enye fe dia grokra. So congratulations to Bena boy on sa achievement no. Ye encourage say Ghana so ye betimi akoye nim oh yes ye betimi akoye nim na eya collaborations na mumma na ma won say Omono, they do a lot.
That's right.
I think the recent one, Bena boy, a course, a break is a record near on Shakira.
Okay.
A collaboration, year recent. So, I mean, what you say it's me caught back to back, sana. A boa as an artist, no. A boa will be brave. It's Ghana for no, so they are doing well, no doubt, but there's more room for improvement. It's mama ente monka. Let me say. Shatawale ni hwan po na ye sa eyi no. Oh, oni lady.
Kai.
Oh, Mekaya Mebos. Yes.
Beyonce.
Yes. And since then no, I don't know, say me na me checking me homework here but as I mean share them
Obi foforo bi away.
Collabo bi e be ye eyi bi sa. Mostly they who ye Ghana, Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, Ghana, but you said them
as a national
boy
be with Jamaican be. Check on that.
So let's push him on na so let me do my last story with last but one more the make a tuning boom because they're related.
Okay.
So veteran Ghanaian actor Freda Mugi Yemoakwaba.
Akwaba dey ask one more case be na.
Just a name where you missing change sir.
Baby, we
Sinicheni, I mean ye can industry ni momo a my ye juma.
Yeah.
They have the records. Fred, ye papa Freda Mugi. Eye one. Na recently oko grantee interview be. Now, a part of the interview was very, very emotional when he had to talk about ne ba ofrimu.
Okay.
Ne baba ofrimu at a very early age, cancer any kun. And it's a breaking internet now or more air can. I think that was somewhere in the internet in a baby. But I think the other issue, Krana, Ebema, the whole conversation shifted, was when he spoke about his marriage.
Okay.
Not necessarily or no na worry, but he was like say on your chance be able to say obesan be wi ase fofora on your sure so obe choose to marry enti
obenam ho sa
our real party so people were trying to understand the intia or kase onkwa aware mu and also ono no onye nipa bia or tied in the private issues better abonting. People think say perfect marriage because yente papa Fred and Kai yente na worry more more yente but or say anya sanity our bia will issues our bia there's no perfect marriage anyway but nipa mienu betime decide say you be work it out and also no ade ba ko ama sesi an science institution na so complicated aye ding Edia mankrofo bebre problems here and there divorce aha no sisi baby we are sina kudru the way are now are from it's being instituted and said ye na etie no and then patro eniema bebre asesa today women want to have their own money. Women want to be career women. They want to do everything some. BBIB. Ain't no on case or say on case ya the bonny.
Okay.
But the problem is say no a man do no they are unable to balance whatever they want to do no. Want to mean balance any our no.
Okay.
Ain't kaneno Obama yes Bema na yes provider. In fact that's how God made it. Now so say ene wuti na ukonya oba bia wo say obeboa wo as Bema ya abrabo na ye easy e dia maya very well appreciated. But the do baby a na ni re fi say obe balance say ono no eye help to Bema no. But at a point no so person obedane the head because of mwana or de eboa Bema no enti we say oba baako or ye chief executive officer or ye career woman just or run 3, 4, 5 businesses or sign what obi a or ye adwuma na onya bosome salary aside the no oba kro na or ko school or your mother enti wa combine eniema bebre at a go enti onhu ha wa dodo na ntimi hu ha wa obe balance obe meji sa ni nyina na ube hu say one area is suffering and the other is thriving enti ube hu say enti no kase say aware na enti say first ni biom enti is either say wo be cycle wa adwen ne sa but wo ye say bia wo pese ni oma ekote sese de na originally net here na you might suffer a lot of setbacks into also on a dear our real part dear. It's not like he's not the kind of man who can live with such a woman, no. Okay. But he's saying that enyama son enyama na son ama brabono aye dini the ama trying to live with nyome bisa no and no no what you say in his next life our ready uncle he believes in relationships and whatsoever but to follow a particular trend be say ordinity kwashe bibi mu a friend our no no
who kasa okay bibi say send ya irade ehihye no at the beginning no and they say the man is the head and all that one thing I have noticed they say once you get into this institution na ulu see sight of urola so very simple obema love oba submit asa
yeah
asa even if you the woman you decide say who know the love ne kura ebe bare ho a ubeti and you know once you are submitting love ne be follow because when him say we ni miti ono na ma choose ni say me ne nante and into na who choose ya and also we get careful who you choose and also making sure say offer Jerry and auntie abna so ne be nante make auntie abna otini fi I know never nantia. I was auntie abna choose no or you very proud of a Jerry ojina baby I was said ni jise abrantie and a menene ko min hwe baby min nyehwe I mean and no na ude was submission no tie and then also knowing that a work and you know, every single day you work it out and it is the both of you and I was said deliberately if you lose sight of that fact and one on and you know it's not like kanokwa but who practice there are people who are enjoying this institution hey me say make it come me share match and me share match I mean very few countries no omu country we need ne coach no omu po ye last ye ball last aben prayer and no call stand him and no come okofi ne yira no bam and no stand by if sa odone ne ni mu ntemu a enka we no emma super I mean I'm just saying omu no ya bro from culture different and all. And you can do yours in a way that you will enjoy.
Oh, that's a Ghana cry binanse mu because
exactly
your match here ne Panama ebo
And
ye.
them are
Antoine obi
many
ni
so
man
many.
of the man.
Wouldn't say not me didn't who say go your friend is saying players ne omo you know
Omo girlfriends na.
Sad story and we'll look at it. But the whole thing we are talking about is the fact that listen, area no when you are in, make it work for you. And find your man to share with trim and ye make it work for you. If you choose to marry, make it work. And nothing I would choose, yeah, like I said, to book na shemu ye. If you think say Obemeya wouldn't need like and you're proud of, especially being proud of the person. Oh, because if you're proud of the person, we will be a chief executive cry na se nipano or that's so on a level cry because of that thing you have. Because of that thing you have in mind, you know. You would definitely still keep the person now if you have one put to such a level or no to be no men love, women submit. And it works. Bible no on chatro.
A woman be or not na. Or a very big pa or Ghana. Really fit position of hoodie. But me see an interview be. Very big a career woman like what fro. And I say as I think last 2 years or so I'm still interviewing. I say upon all what I have achieved, how I'm well known in the corporate world, how I'm friends revered and stuff, I still save my husband.
Yeah.
I still cook, I still wash.
Exactly. So I mean, who was that time? I mean, even if one year now we provide service now. We provide it works, but don't lose sight of your role.
Yeah.
No, don't.
Yeah.
The day you lose sight of your role, that is the beginning of the end for you. And you know, let's keep it in mind.
And it's here for ancient and so say. You see, there's no gain in this gender wars that's going on. Gender wars na TSC ewiase no. Ehun hia. De bia meka. Ode oba tena ha, oba beka cho say me mate sei. Ode be man so si obeka cho say mate sei. Enti obia wo de obeka fa ne yonko ho.
That's right.
But at the end of the day, Mimi Wuni say it's not about Bema and it's not about Oba. It's about Nipa. And it's about individual personalities.
That's right.
Ubetimi akwako Nipa na one na a date na he was the worst individual no. Do you know that he's the best for someone else?
Yes.
He's the best. And to say be a momo no na farmer moa. It doesn't mean say nipa na ye devil and na mema nyina ye scam and na ma mua de and na oba nya sika. No. Work on you.
Yeah.
Work on you. Yeah. And that's basically it. Until the mama fancy hana and then come ho abedwafo no na ye betie nkomo na etie Forson tie bi because of nkomo ya ye abrantie na sem no ubekum kra na guy no or problem or trauma bi or weakness bi wentimia anye ho adwuma na akofa no we
abrantie customer service tip ne fambra intentem na yenko break na abedwafo so mo around it's say for some time now na nra you started customer complaints you know you per se you do way to dwa listen actively.
Okay.
Listen actively. Allow customers to explain their concerns without interrupting them.
Okay.
Customer biba, you see tie ni ye. Customer biba na se o kan asema anase bibi ha no o kan. O de ye din ne tie no ye, ne tie no ye. O ti na se a na betimi the solution aba o kasa na se so o de wa no tutumu a e ma de o kan no unya entiase papa na waboa no. Nti listen actively yentie ni ye.
Okay. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that was so near that Lexta Company Limited. That's it. Producers of Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush. I say, for hygienic, healthy living, always choose Yas toothpaste and toothbrush. Now, products you be market, babe. Yeah. Telephone number for Accra 050 161 9588. Now, Kumasi Swaye 050 1390338. Abusafo ye try ho abaye ba ye ni abedwafo bedi nkomo.
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene efa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu wo je ho ba bia enye na eno na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo ma je ne wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu je international awards ahodo wo mu je local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia je 21st clinic nkwa wo mu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha se ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran ba ye wo wonsa ni fa so wo fra masaman so na ba nso a wonsa bonkum so ho na wo behu ye 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. There's a 21st clinic. Still, woman is sciatica expert.
Hajia special local foods. Abakade. Enye diani ni diani o. Yewe diani ni yewe diani. Enye nwanwa se Ghana ha. Ahemfo. Eya kesiye. Wedina kesiye. Party ya kesiye. Se mu pe baby. Awo be serve wo ma wo ho. Se ye buffet ene wo mo ye. Se ye local continental dishes a. Wo bi e twa nani a. Hajia special local foods. Ewo hacho. Atomic kwan no so ho no. Die ntie fe ni local foods ne se. Enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo mo atentam tomatoes apro meko apro jena apro garlic apro na wo de ye aduane se ehya abontine aduane edi yenye ni bisa dabi haji esuro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese eyie ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo mo tenase no wo mo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo mo se momfra haji special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyie Ghana ha ba bia wo mutimi serve Hajia special local food upese ofra eye 024 63 59921 024 63 59921 anasa 059 479 7215 eye 059 479 7215 for na with them
eh medo edrano pa wutimi to boase etwitwiwusi o ado na so ni se me the yas toothpaste and the brush and the twitwi me nyahomka sentina ye bokoi na me die me all time favorite yas herbal toothpaste and the brush aboa me amasesei menum so a enwunu anasa de ehia me selfimfem me biem na wonhwasa me se aye fita sesrecha homa na et brightens yas whitening toothpaste and the brush and me di hwimese entina wo se afei na yas total care gel toothpaste and the brush ne die ebo wo se ho ban demu ne nyina ema wonum ye sham oh yes enu krotrodo yas herba yas whitening and yas total care gel toothpaste and the brush abusuan chamfa
se wo pedudu tu e won kran ha for Leicester Ghana Limited and was 050 161 9588 Leicester Ghana Limited and the yas toothpaste mo ahodo and the brush abadwaso ababoye
tontonte yanum sane e fadwen ne fadwen mpa say na nim say brebi beba ama tonti na 74 opa ye ne simple T74 abeye adru tonti na 74 ana T74 asa twe yadwene asina nanom dodo so say de na dodo bua ma na nanom enyare basabasa no saa na tonti na 74 ana T74 ebo nipadua no emo immune support enti obi onum bie no abrebia ne ho den tonti na 74 yi nso yaye ne sensuo krokrowa kama enti ba bia wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ samene wa ankafi na ekroyi eda no nko na wie ye wa bra mennom T74 samennom tonti na 74 menya hodin mennom ne da bia T74 yi eye hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama saa no T74 ahoden ni apomuden kwa woko pharmacy ana ba bia to nwo bia ubenya tonti na 74 yi bia to T74 yi enye ma oba wa fafuro ana obi a oma nufo ana se obi a onya mfie dumienu etufon free 050-162-8931 and 0246-073-498 FDA agi ejedi nkratwe atum.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, Sompa Radio.
your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albert Sakikwampo.
Onyankopon di fa wasra no ewiye brim enam ne nsaso ama onyankopon we ya honwade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We ni butai to us on perfect service ewo homayen enye TV program keke eye bra osoro ni asasi hia eye bra onyankopon kasa kyerɛ ne.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
And mass on perfect service entwa wo ho hoda eye dwada kusi efiada anopa no num kusi anopa no nsie fa woda no nyina share radensa na erade beye.
We want to testify about God. Finally, give me a moment, just a moment. You give me a moment. I want to testify about God. Yeah. Hey, give me a moment. Hey, just a moment. Just a moment. Testify about God. He's a promise keeper, the unconditional.
And that Lady Joanna, the new one, a woman in testify, Ruth J. Ruth Mitchell. It was here for Abena Ruthy. My sages are here. Reverend.
Edin chiame tiefu nyina. And Ramandantem. Na me America fo be all night. You know. Me da no pay ya.
I see.
But it as well. Ya bani ahoɔden mu.
Sompa etiefo who don't know what sorry about.
Ya di ahoɔden aba. Ya ba besom wo. Sompa.
Aish.
Delight.
Aish.
Man kan fan shasi a me ho be kyerɛ me.
So windim dear no no. Uncle Fred.
Hey. Abena.
Yes, Papa.
Oba Ruth.
Yes, Papa. Nene what channel? The who lines view woman there just a combination they all
It's a calculation, you know.
Aish.
Combination is a calculation. That's in the Mapana. The chairman dressing here.
Oh, I see.
Tambia from Colabrim, very neat.
Okay.
No school say crash me iron crab. But my tally them that shape me mattress nasi.
Yes.
But that's why I won't say now.
Not I straighten. Hey, yes, you're more.
Nah. It's Shannon. Maybe I the carbon be the trees. More 22. I ye. You know, it's say boarding house can call international school in the boy. It doesn't need a 10 piano. You say me butcher.
Nice. I'm patcha busia for
there was silent battles now here comes when day. We are could be not that out of the action once. I use star. Silent battles made it was just for now depends when you can't just walk for a Caribbean can do south from Nanka. On one bob, I took about you know, and it says it's all tree brick.
Yeah.
She's anyway a ding. So maybe a scan will be so you be palm more pa.
Yeah.
You wake up and say, a gun for you any foul. What did you do one? Yeah, this can I would discard your love for me.
A traffic tickets are costing our horse.
And young when you know no more travel tickets call you. Been much heavy mom.
All this life until you leave the day as it go by.
That's right.
Young Conton Kunya, you heard obey the beer. Back on Thursday.
I'm always excited to see you here. Yeah, there are there say, Auntie, my mama, baby. Of how Java.
Some
And no, wouldn't my mama no. Who's our Mary Antonio? Auntie, no, and one no, Madame was the papa for some mamba. Na you didn't come before the break. And see, you better one come on so now. I mean, you were saying silent battles near there. Yeah, Papa. In fact, I know your munya, Fred Amugi, and also although they are already I'll call about in his next life, no. Orange ho cry, orange ho. None of the Nashata Casa, no, so believe in that. and I miss a dear crowd among for a dream say, science institution, yeah, sweet to say, I just said, to me working a almost person move comukure, and the for me. I mean, before we go into our stories, let me just tease your mind on it. And then get to know what you think. Do you want to go, Reverend? Reverend Echo.
Okay, I mean, cool.
Because 37 years in the
military hospital, you can more zing for 4 years. I've seen every white right now, so trying to say chingom. No, there are problems. Yes, you know why for problem, but you share no. You should be free by being former. In our veteran. Meaning, why we share similar stories. No one that say me 11th October, not 15th October. I see by divine a story is similar our childhood experience and never be brave. I person near my free and they said my ma. Marriage a very complex institution come my own certificate and then I'll come. Now oh come when you one day penane we who bakro so ba me ni kam between pana for 4 years answer kisi e ho akarese e ho answer na me aware no offer me na me kan kra me sebi kra no ka se bia be fun but me ye no ho ade kra no onyim no me ye no me chi me answer okay experience last time me ka se na aware nti ama ne ma bebre ukọ sorry no a ho na aware ni so gu more. I've told you a story na nka sorry be se mo chichire obi ma me ni nyina nti marriage you know sometimes no man shia to kwa kakra ba unya anka bi anka ka u kokra ba ka unko mu biom ko akwese akoye bed bi you have to carry usora no pa for better for worse o yare so hwe no ne man no be wo to be hwe kwala no akuti se o metimi aye bi na mu nyi no Onyankopon the beautiful creator of all ayi mu nyi no o se me se wan nwi fi na ti hu ye white pubic area ho ye white enema esisa sex appetite dey come from any gia with 3 year no kakra bia no obi bofu utiase menopausal symptoms in ba ni nti no so any mani nyina wa nya sai no na oye so ta ni nkobo yo bia ni nkoma atebetu na kola ndwane fifi na my lonely na fi akwa nti aware e dey am to be honest be ba we promiscuous na say opete yi because sometimes you know Yakubu said that now the Barclays Bank in Sancha Timamo. It is we attracted to sight. You call any may go china, quaya, what I say. If you be we know, I didn't know our pen of your name one more. No bad the foy can see, glancy and one and home until say where you dada noir. So me, what I do is say, I picture my wife the very first day. Okay. I'm who no, and I'm saying, pay my too soon. Just be not too soon. And I'm a born for 37 military years. Everything I was looking for a woman, I saw it because mommy, I was a time, mommy. I wait here, papa, never have sex. And then the next woman to Niaba in your Ukrainian until we wait here, Christmas, we know in your that kind of life, and I'm in pay. I wanted to see myself with my wife and my kids. I'm doing my school. Master come from Abba, me cry the king, Ubienwa. Mama go find mother. I don't say me and my wife. We to say them man go for me. Me hear mama about 2 o'clock. What mommy and I am Michael Jackson you cry. I'll have to live. Yeah. Where you come from. What you say, Eddie, I must be honest. You are. So the mom maybe I did catch them. The mom did not catch an ya. They were crying. I know now I am me. Hey, ready to go over here. They said Omutopin engagement time. Says cross says a young kid to no Yakupon, you who pass or the other question of much say, would to be a Shannon corner bono. Wow, Cobano, I'm telling you about marriage. Look, Yakupon to 1 month call marriage moi. Or so who the beauty of marriage. Yeah, Sabaya Colano, only baby Asia with me actually. But marriage, you don't just no be having sex and there'll be a worrying as you know. And Tassia, and you may be brave. 7 Mumma, you be your warm up, you my much remark. Would the ho start a pig in a jump from my beam. When you would show away your team was now to feel near the dinner. To have your Bemano, ever caught Bemans who you two more to who could go by our no something now pronoun of it. This is a whole lot. But I mean, a very great married counselor because I live under the tutelage of Oponuka Jutri. The poor boys in Nina, Shaka Miss Woody, your board that you now tried the NHO, which is a dear, and they may go away. It's about everywhere you know. And you know, friend of walk in aspect. Yes, I can be that. Your grand coming and crack be and bank, I mean, but you consider your children and wives, at least you got in a companion.
Yeah.
But when you cry, what's 50 whole corner? One of the real, because loneliness, you know, when it started, say about the real factor. So when you're you know, when pictures, you be a wife, you be a national theatre for 1982 million golden tulip when I baha, you can't get and then, in kind of last time, grabbing you know, you pay, say, you ask a quasarena. You never couple. Fredabugu or can't, the one who tea and the microphone in a quachomotor school. Say, be out, you be my woody dinner. Yeah, baby, if you buy no different. Ha, baby, if you buy any semi what dime or hall. Any when you're good now back home, you tell the animal they so now the also to table. So there are certain things that. And your pride in the Bayawa, Oba, you have to learn. Send when you be a banning show, I've got to ban it to know. Like of any member teacher, I don't send day. You just get cut of it. It is because Kebia, Minya, Mani, Obia, same time as you be a babon for a tribute bomb. Eh, crack your friend. So for being now, then you mean can be that me. I would mean can be that all in you. Tommy say it to
anyway, so what I'm getting from now, okay, you know, when they say a intentional, deliberate action.
Oh, tell her quite what screen. And no,
because without that, you will fail.
Me a dove and a wife here tiger. It's sometimes notice a boofu. Even some boofu, but on that tell you move more to be who the moose string and I did about me say music and I mean because time piano children me bomb hymns. Boom, then I switch my pains. And I come. Hey, it could you say no one who people have over talk as I want. And then perhaps Facebook could be Charlie you so sound near Cabo one to be saying name yasam. Who should be doing yasam that because when you complain your wife to your you forgive your wife, your family members will never function that. Don't catch on to me wife. Me now some never. You have a way of settling on. Until Friday movie, any view.
I'm say, Yenia Freda Mugia Kasa. Now, Kasa, ye papa, Freda Mugia Kasa. And now, yes, Shatawali Swata Bibisada. Say, Enka Obebima on worry. And I say, okay, any difference. Yen chef Fred Amugidian, or so baby more worry. Yen funny say. Yankopon no bo aware and no say aware nke yenti the original plan of aware no nka eye but one thing I mean hu say aware to say uwo fufu na wo de banche ene brode e ba be kan bum no wa baby a obi free ba na obi su e free ba no difference wom nti at the end of the day no wo hwe sene amotie na moye ade ba ko abum now the reason why Emma aware be aim to mean koso no number one poor say ye infidelity aspect wo mu say obi eye nea emfata ofa oye ana ukunu echi no etumi masa neoma no so eba ne etoso miensa ye financial stress ye mu bebre wo wa aware ne ye komu a ye wo expectations bi a ye di kom obi si o kom na we konye sika ebinom so omompe aben omopeden aben wa ha no omompeden debi ebe but at the end of the day no pressure be about financial side obi to make us say me worry bium e wo obema any oba side pressure na edoso recently na me ni obi kan bibi efa we hu and I say enra and I say nikunu for the past 4 years e tro that we won ho information won ho yes or tro bibia fa no ho bibia obeye bia no watra to ho because all people or share ye na ne ho oni mu posi ye tro bibi fa no ho or share ye na ne ho niama nko na wom and 20 seconds say my wife ye say and 20 day enti or go through emotional torture. But the whole thing is that emotional torture no enya mbas nkwa na enya o sometimes so mema nsunya the same emotional torture no after the next thing ma enkrofo echo that aspect one beka say ochine bi mi nware bi no a lack of commitment omo ni commitment wo aware nim na aware commitment in no entumi nko nanim entumi ngina yie in the future no aware ni nya test ewo mu. Another reason ti obi beka say oba nware biom ne domestic violence we no cost bebre me kai some time ago police ni bi ba me ho ni me be di nkomo na nkomo no ni me be di ye no abna ne sere ne say o si de bia na ere bo be ma pa nti mba na mubu mu kunu no mo hwe na mu njai anye sa obe me bi beka say o kine bi oba a o mpese obe ware biom sa so na oba wo so obe ma abo no obe ma ko no hwe na jai esa ne say o kine bi no oba obeka say onye den on ware biom nka ware de nka efe. And apart from that, no, a young crofo kwa wari mu a, omo expected goals bi. Omo won rebi anke dom weni so. Omo nyaaya, no omo koye no omo ehu saa no. Na afei de omo abemu obu. No omo aka chomo say, ye nko biom. But as a memeti hoi, me ko ke bia. Me nyamane. Obi na wari semwa. But ye beto aso aboa. Send ye be ya. You bet me Eddie in Sampano, Abra Amanfo.
Said that who said we have marriage capsules, Binia, the idea or TikTok.
And you know, we follow me TikTok channel, no Destiny Marriage Capsule. Nabit ye, our remoon sempa, Yami Bishramo.
Anyway, and to young a story for Neso. Then also, I draw the bar, concert time. Papa Bina, or what UK or a pilot. And I who say, I said,
Papa Boom, young
me
funny say, mid age.
And into the young man. Just say, why didn't know I defended a 12-year-old and I was assaulted sexually, and I'm running in a D. Now, my thing is, this is somebody or chronic carrier. Papa Biu, only Ghana Kremupo. He traveled so. Or Dini Juma as a pilot. And I wait to me any girly, small girly, at Akikama what travel 200 miles. I call any nenya bibiaye. Now, one thing I made there, I chronic to me, nene mammy, a car, 70 home. I mean, a D town common, and son away now, ever out near there. But what will make a man with such a career? And such, I mean, a bright future to me. Or before New Year, but I'm only and you know, any way, oh no, you free content, that you form. That was just by the way. Mommy, yen canny and tufu. That ye are home pempi, no, of her. Yet the back was share if you are before. Ya, no. When you dahona, why, ya dear no, and honor back. So, meaning said that aspect too can be there, but let's look at this issue. Why would a person, I mean such a person, do such a thing? Obey according to the grips of the law. When
Abna,
yes sir.
Near the kind of say, young 30-year-old girl, I mean man. Now what to me are driving like from Accra to Sinyane. Accra to Sinyane, 197 miles.
Okay.
197 miles. Say who could be 12-year-old girl each year. Number one, Jimmy. Near Tosu Mienu, ye name say, a be woman, yare, we, ya won't conform, that pedophile for Sayariano.
Okay.
Aha, into a psychological. But let's look at this man. May be so wha obedi koyenedru. Into these are the angles I'm a say, no. Either say ni pakone yare, and now say na junimukano. And I saw the koye drew. But Abna, before I met was on me, person what he has say, Sir, in some year, Cosui, and you're no pen all you. You want mema, and you want maswa omoye. Inti, women can do it to young children, and men are also doing it to younger girls.
Okay.
And ye adia na embre pi no se sa nyama yi koswa, bebre no to me cranka. It's a fear of victimization. But sir, I can once say, why are dear pa? In fact, or to me, confiding was someone else. And an impacone catcher and a mammy. In this case, no, ye bought a month for you now, say, Obi, bow and chain, sell you near say oye wa downful say and normally no eya omo yesa no eya omo ben ebusua ne paapo omo ben ebusua ne pa ebetumi aye wo uncle bi ebetumi aye many nkrofo bebre di nkomo matenia ma bebre until at the end of the day no be say nkrofo no mo yesa no there are people who are even trusted in society but at the end of the day no esane so musronti omo ntumi nka but and then the catch public they said try so be encourage you ba either obema or bow say bibi sa tona omuntumi enye den and report ma either wo parents ana obi a wo trust no se ne be ya asem no betimi akọ wo maame ho but the answer is say previously what I say you can send me wa efa girl bi hu a ye se ne maame ekunu ene ne da sa ono o ka kire ne maame o but ne maame entu hu anamo into what two things he minka this situation show opa sesi a me enko me pese mebo chronidin and I say nkran there are certain locations only 12 years 13 years 14 now wo ya yese wonya ade when you na yens in niam aye dey say yenkwala no 13 years o obekọ ne ye outdooring pa ma 13-year-old girl wakowo obi anka ho asem because yese wa ya ade
the norm.
The norm of that society, which for me, no kabibi say no, I was saying kayama authorities called she parents no. Me dealing with homopa because totally wrong. It's no sa papa ya kana semia or ya pilot. Now what saying so any or bad what driving life from Accra to Sunyane now only oba akoye sa nya oba penyu pilot di anka wo sika wo. Wo betumi ni obi anante. But at the end of the day, akola na ope. Any reason ti obe kodisa akola echi. Eya nkrofo bebre, omunim say mine or no they can manipulate them. Until they use that opportunity to manipulate them. And obi so wa any bibi or they koyenti. Enti na oyesa. And the way or you know fatakra ana yare bi na wona adwene mu nti o se ye hwe nka o se nka omode no ko hospital e check na adwene mu wi amu asa ejeli na ka ho.
So what I'm picking from near wuke nyida no say enye say ye different jurisdiction nti na emra na tumi eni na din term no number 1. Number 2, akra ni susu tumi kasa ye no.
Exactly.
Because of how omuno they are trained. Omu ye outspoken near the enye nuntia yemtie of an take answer yakosa eno no so no.
Onyame abodie mi nyansa pemu no. Oma emma se bia bu fie dumienu. Ko su dunsia na wa obra no aba. Ko procreation no en mani mema na ye yina. Se bi mu na mu carry nkwala no be 9 months. Titem ya no mu pa mu akwa no ebie ntem ansa na yi. Na Onyankopon na kwam nsu no sa de ansa na be break obi vegi to de ade akatani. A obekwa sebe bohu moja kakra be ba ansa na yi. Na ene na ma fontin tan aba ye social media. Ene ma koso pa o.
Yeah.
Hwe you school say classmates bi wane no mu gina. Hu bi eto egu echi pa ni nufu egu echi a. O ka jealous we 12 years 30 years ya o cultural comment trans o nyini. You never believe.
Yeah.
And also for kan o community bi on kra any other regions I just 13 no ma wo. Or was onye yankwa is general operation bia or wa for na say cause the name of what did you hold near you know organic also to krum hana oh why it is any man na social media na send me na copy and social media is a very good place because nyana me boa opa this yanko young girls in that dey on bom no mo warrior na we two flowers no mo sani hwan on simani na bu pa say ya na we ba ko bi am se do chire bi o bu fa na bi o ko na gwango wa o ka tina say what's na ye enima omo ye o no directing and then that kind of o ko be do sweet girls sabi nipples is so full so it will be na kwano ko hu ye na kwano delusional or a pilot or say otter plane no dey 8 years figana na oko 22 years they can one or they get age difference 18 so why to be ambition we first ambition and ambition is there kind of sexual you know one also I don't know kwa ye that is akwala no so ka kwa akwala boni it na parents be catch from say mama say ade ngutu emfa age limit infant.
Phones near.
Advanced country until this time no telling them no parents be the more in case of emergency you only fear. But otherwise. We school form 3. And Ghana Army Chief of Staff with Treble Tomato Pompepra. No they would duty. And I'm in a pony Gawa with very Russian very Maki Kotia. Set time no say magazine baby I know he does this Oh crab 1 month. You go on internet even could be 2 crab 1 month. And a prep time I can't be 5 minutes.
I said that
and I could hear a bikini obey the Google say Google Sweeney. You know na boy school I mean and I even say ever oh duty
perfect
aye obechi coach even am 7 years e ba be you do problem ko yana say e don punish here otu certain age limit ya what to so people akwa mu no it time na 3 common by the light off ni ewia ho kopem ma wo kwada so ene ba ntoma because ni enye duane ndi school nti okoto kokode na wo order be 2 days and now you understand what was lie it in that boy ni kokoko you guys tokro alice ni mu ni afemfam mo ni ada di nyina se sai ni se na ni ke sa ni no ma nko ma chichi yen and then omo track se nkwala ni nyina and it's there especially local ma any member schools na omo twempre mu zianga zanga na ni se hutamale ayi baby teacher in science lab CH woman H plus 2 is equal to curriculum. Hey, science na nobody say, but yeah, lab. And when my money they on lab, we free akọ bi e say sunyane frapre. And akoya kola we say. It's you say who say, and yakọ no matter how small the size and I say you know. So banu nya chiwan kwa dia any kind of baby betimi and akọ na British law no. Why here near nano particular chap will be a coby on let me say come able to auto can now say now Tiena say low where you are. The 2 corner years were found home so pleading guilty about 9 years. It is a month. Come jail in fat a mamu they protect women because always a women are very vulnerable when it comes to the society. To Ghana, I hear your good Ghana for any massy. Obi out prepare and I can my business men and women ben and ma or flat in one. A day, I don't want to quiet say. I want find a picture because of Usentino. The king who in the cherry who say, and they may go quite one. And they can also own until I call Ghana for my member do on a pemount too small. And ye, Tabia Sakala, I don't know, say, and I quick who we are. The prison that Abraham Catch said down to you. What a pay so a condition now. Now, who was say kind of homophobic ADB, me and took claustrophobia. Yan tumu, ye tumu crana. What's a prison or crown, no matter how. So for air conditioning, never in a bone now. Oh, my, don't home way down. I want to wait and concentrated, small, a woman, a bahano. It's I do and who are such and I read and when you know, because they see the people and one will be trapped. You report, you so. It is idea, no, me shock crasses say, come cover the crack or investigate. Almost be a quano or is that kind of type.
Yeah.
Every home told you now, you could be covered by Bray or ha. Oh, manum, it may be no one down one country or more. What I say, you home, both a colano to one mammy or quano or the Niqui or the Ponubi, or the says, oh, they are now trade. Guess on quay station, no. Both of 3 black, no money my call. I be to donor. We don't pictures, sir. Baby school cry and I say, we be ever be free, a man for baby, I will be go Gigi. A man for no, it couldn't about so any idea. Because
Tiana,
I cannot bunny
and I tossing.
Yes, and I cannot bunny. Was Yana Nan, can know the bapping or what a paladio. Because Mamma knows what can be. So, say, guys, we knew, sir, or girlfriend, you know, if you are how much on your money yet near me to be quack of that young girl, Ediaba. But with the age difference, 12 days, too much for you to have. Lure head for 3 times. Only got that 3 times. And that
3 times.
Different times.
About the same time because
the same time the other say, you know, and once you train a colania when you know, Nabino, say a colane run a young funny demon to but concern for all. It do that you be quite roof was great. A colarian was son. Give any crumbs. I want you be seen it, but then any fault. to say what you fear, you fear, not a crown for arm robbers. Aba be rape no. Ube jana na so be worry no.
I de jano.
Sa?
It's
so
me what meaning practical one.
A lot of
it's a honey make you say I'm part of one invite am resmon said that buy be sa na. And answer go for the bar. It say congested be bebem. O just say if you be toy but the crowd say house will be say me be so no but da. I used to be jam of fear and sana. You know, send them one shady now. Oh, yeah, it can cost a lot of the guy on the honor or they got to a good parents anyone say.
Exactly.
A good Ghana for anyone say.
Investments are
pilot, the whole pilot. I don't want but she's a man bad part of
of it is a mimi bisa say, auntie. I mean, see, I nano cra say, why say black magic na di we need match. Ain't you know? To me cause aside na na to obi cause na chese amount for work is animal yeti and it me cause
and there were
say you but it's not this limitation
say was uma we need da ho
e was ma we need da ho normal mpa bo mu yeden
how long no you to even da ho mistakes wo in life e be ni be see ya maame no opa nkobu so mo mpra o ma twe ansa no set time no who said those times so call back to the relics of time abusu afie no maame ne nkwala de nyane da ba kuma unni eyi hall kwa munni bi eti most of papa for no fa emmanuel school them eni de achi ne afuom that where sex took place eti what you said baby out there unu maame ne da ho your curtains na atwa bibi am de bia be mo na maame nyum
hey SMP so this is what I want us to do yentu ye maneful a hono within their own laws no yet to me gripe acquaintem but ye hey laws were how but ye hunu say in same way be bria nkofun to me nkempie and na make no omo ntete ye ne different enti na ma omo to me assertive obekana sem but obi wa ha obi wo ye mamu a ontumi nka ne ntentem ti yentu nkoranefo omo nya den and secondly on the internet, what should they do? How can they be protected? Let's tell them something.
Abena, say on the internet, Obroni ama kwanya utumi ye private settings se wo wakwala phone so.
Okay.
Enye bebia na wo se wo ma wakwala no etumi ko. Nti ye wo se utumi mane ye restricted. Ewo bebia obetumi akohwe. Na continuously utumi monitor nea ohwe.
Okay.
Mami more perfect example, we were down for sophobia. Naneba. Eshe sa niama no. See, one of the times I was observing the child, na me catch chance on the child na kwala no phone yan shade. Ye ko hwe na niama bone nko na wo so.
Wow.
We first of all spoke with him and afei so ye san ye settings wo so. But once in a while no age phone no because you have right over your son or your daughter's phone. On the 18 now you have right over it. I also monitor no hwe niama ohwe because in the first place internet in there wo homo bia o. And now you can't define what you watch. So one setting ya. And one bet show ni ahwe. Exactly. And the one pia. But so yes settings ni ye dear. The person will be restricted from going to certain websites. Parents no monitor mon kwala phone because a lot of things are going on. Me kai pa say girl be a minimum no pa na akwale bi. Started on the bonkomo internet so one of the websites so and on starting in the bonkomo sa afi they say mamensha wo naked picture say afi edru bravery no you so that naked picture no they exploit akwala no extorting sika e ma akwala no start so ria na maami no musika.
That's terrible.
At the end of the day, the case became so way I had to move round and round in the year pages from the internet and some are yet to me trace yan ye kochia branty.
Wow.
That's
right.
They went further, taking money, and they took a lot of money. Now, girl no too was able to succeed, so we are free the man anymore.
Because all kataso. You know what I'm picking from what you're saying? it means that senior ye money yankita who disu so
exactly. Yeah.
Because I won't ube pa or shebi biasia
ube
so what ben and secondly who open up Emma need to me ba who freely a canning sem so and also be because obey to me.
I won't say most of the times, you know, your parents, you know, and Kolana sometimes almost started, and I never call chromono. Sa boy we who me no can say now won't hear you no brush it. Most of them they don't brush it too. Omo koko attack boy no into no me nipa on cambium aha
that's correct.
You get the whole thing.
Like
exactly.
We should know how to handle these things.
Na ma nipa ko na wo hwe na eye oba no ohu se oye safe e wo wonsem o kan hwe kwan bi so na fe tunofo na fa boa no anye saa wo ye den a obekọ okwa onka njira wo da e na wo hunu da na enyo won se parents bebre ma ye nneoma wo nso o mu hu da me kai pa say school we na me ye PTA chair wo school bi mu ena secondary school ena akola ba ku bi ko wi ade platform no so no ene yenye sei yen
panyi fo o se ne be bi enkwala bone wo nkwala brum ba hwe omane o school a ese enema eksa lines so a o mu wi no be ne ba adwuma mu a o mu wi
enema no
I prefer kanaka bi.
Yeah.
Na secondary school pa de mo ye ube to ne mama oba obedu ho no obeka cho say we ye wia hata.
Now no. Those days let it compound house no. Almost same kwala pa bi house helps.
Yeah.
Say be ma no. Now bad boys if you want it him. And I won 14 15 no. Wo to akwa do e be so hu bi. Eti we bi a man ni say nya so dware ba kum. Eti obu a etwi edi dadwa ya boni to kro dia to do no mu de de chewing gum atare ho ti so wa ma wuti na be gina nwa me bie na spy la na is that again wonder o he euro o ko pe de ma hwe
wow
e wie no mu nyina mu kodwo mo nya parents egu
ani
oho na ye niema o ho ye wo secondary school member school aje nya mai bi o ti se asantrafo ye gunsa Ghana United Nations be ko register bi o be no kokko chicken bi yeah challenge still di we ko de ko ni ade because ni papa mu no ejibit ba that acquaintance that I can it you should group them and tell them the ombaye
yeah
maybe mommy say oh me na wadi almost me say 19 and 20 me say 19 and 20 we are middle school 16 years and we are middle school 16 years and me penny and I may obey me so right now yeah ka hun mami kra na me ya ka se bi ata mi sister penny I want them now but the case here by 12-year old any 30-year-old in terms of you know and permit say na between ayi but kwani bebre ho a almost say efie to onim na won siskani na won say na garden boy bi our fan no no ba na kwa konyoni rather unfortunate because they had the courtship from the social media internet try you cheer me show her can you kiss me on the distance and then so bring the other woman o dey add two video a o ni na me nie o hwe mani na me show enu down
na a big screen recording
yes
no moody a blackmail internet ne was see to me to your main for pa on internet
every child is vulnerable right now time ni dey ni esie
girlfriend
o fe gwa to die kwa ko die mini wo anyway o taba you school away ira we have all come short of the glory of God. It's yen ni me yeni emano a ekuta especially mano ni me mano yen show mu ye rape cases ne you know e adults defilement and say me say bi me hwem senior bi obo akwala bi asum ni ayi o say blue bi no school kwana e so mo koche boy no e ba social media obo akwala te tank ho na obo da so no ba say senior bi o bro me oh get out of my face so now To all kind of very senior year, no better than I am. You see, no kind of changes. I mean, you now go. What time and most soon, sir? As a steam and action, myself, 5 minutes enough.
Oh, but so on a more serious note, what we need to do as parents, the young trim Korani May, said they be almost as annual money, you be detected because only no bang, only need bang. BBC someone
such a crowd, oh, yeah. No one quite abortion, be a quite yanny, be a papa the star. No quite abortion, be a more quite woman. Because you was
inti parents emio when na omuntu mi enhwe nkora ya be na ya be inti eja ye wrap up nesa final way
but you dey remember mu ano me see o de kwa ko no wi ni e dey confirm pema enye den ya menya nananom o dem mu ko pe ba do so pe age away because sex whether you like it or not from ebeba mi akọ eti nyina ehwe hu yi na afi so say dey can say black stars say ebobo no a it's a qualifier and I who
oh should I who sir should I who sir ane yati ani
let's all if we the battle in June e be kwa ya no e be kwa July ma wo to twa Ghana ha omo ye wo mpa do so pa e fufu pa because the month of July no ta wo to bi enko be enti obi a o hwe hu ye man kwa 12-year-old baby.
Obi ahani hu ye reverend final words na
ye koswe to amanfo nyinafo
okay
ye nhwe ye hu yi na o de sa akoye obi ba ye nche wontam sane be ya yes ye nche wontam sane be ye be ya mra na ubedi na Ghana mra no so no ye chi obi a mom ye nhwe kwan pae de ne be fa so ya na nkrofo akọ rem ne yenye ne fiasem any ade ne kata so it's not the right thing to do mama say emrachewa yema mrane ne wundi nti obi anhwe ne hu yie na mrane ne wendi
the law should take its course midamase my sages I'm always excited Devi Ameka to sit with you in some way mudo no more canel wana ne yeko uncle Fred who said be go with you I was here for somehow you said na o'clock na Sompa delight o'clock na Abena Ruthy by Uncle Fred and our Reverend Eddie Aison. Omo Jujan saying nice. Me fa in Chiawe in Koma. Me brother, Mr. George Ampedu. George Ampedu yeminia free so yemi bo so yeminia free buashi. George Ampedu or hey George now we hifa. Graphic Road ho baby e ho no she no ye ni sprain oh neat work. O say dey Accra na George ne ho kani Mrs. Patricia Ampedu na say ya now do birthday. Mema oh happy birthday though belated. And special one from Sompa delight to you. Oni ebusia ni nyina ye domo pa nyame nhramo. Ebusia for ye damos samoje bre na mutie yen ai do the do me chow and then me just say oh you better 30th June ye did do the do birthday intina well do the do day obi ansha ne so mari someone when him say ye be sorry sweet not just say Sompa for God and country and eba menda me producer say Elder Jerry 1 na menda anti adwa say I svelte lady me da St. Augustine say or the to internet in the sofa me that Lady Joanna see well who me nyum come and ani senior rich with mice me don't know so I say obi enim say dear me just so ane Abena Ruthy Professor Abuchi why crado but your men ko bia na cheno
I worship you